I love you, sis.
I love you too. I love you too.
Love you too.
We are down by the
All right,
ocean.
we're having a love
Look at the
fest.
boat.
This is the Atlantic Ocean.
All right, let's walk down
This is the Atlantic Ocean. Look at this. Wow.
Walk down this. I don't want to go down the wooden thing.
We're going to come back
I
though.
heard it go over here so people go down.
Are we going to come back or is this it? Like for the
You want to
week?
come back down here again?
I would love it.
Well, I don't have to. I just wondered.
Huh?
Because if we aren't coming, I want a picture.
Well, we're gonna come again. We can come again if you want.
Okay.
I don't see no reason not to.
Well, we'll just come after 6. It's free.
Yeah, and it's free.
Yeah,
Yeah, and
that's a nice way to end each day.
wow, this is so cool. I am so happy to be down here.
I'm so mad that I only have 39% power.
Aw. Well, it's something. There are many, many, many sharks here. Oh, it's all sandy. Look at this. Look at this. The Atlantic Ocean. Look how massive it is. And there are, look at the houses along the shore. Many houses along the shore. Who, me? Look at this. I got my shoes on, guys. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven right now. I'm just in heaven right now. Wow, what's over there? Is that a shark? There's something in the water. I don't know what it is. Whoa, here it comes. Woo! It came close to getting me and I got my shoes on. Look at this. Isn't that cool? There's nothing like the waves. Whoa, look at this. Ocean waves. I love this. I love this. Woo! Incredible. I had to show you guys. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. Yay! Can I get a picture? Can you guys get a picture for me?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm gonna turn this off.
If you'll hold